How to reshape photos and text in Canva. How to warp and transform images for free. That's what you'll learn in this video. Let's start. First, create a new design in Canva, for example 16:9 as you can see here, and upload any photo you want, for example this car here. All you need to do is click on the photo, then on apps, type in the search bar reshape and enter. Here you have the reshape tool. Click on the small icon here and you have 4 options: distort, skew, perspective and warp. Let's try for example perspective. You can see the frame is changing. It means I can click on any corner or edge to change the perspective. Let's click here and you can see it's changing. I can also go here to the right. It's also changing. Let's try for example warp, because I think the warp option is the best because you have warping like freeform, guys. Okay, perfect. And you're just saving and then it will keep this shape like that. Also the same quality, that's very important. And if you want, for example, to warp and change the perspective of text, it's a little bit different because we must first create a text. Let's go here, scroll up, text, add text box. Let's write down 4 seasons, just as an example. Make it bigger, center. Let's choose this horizon font because I really like it. And yes, all you need to do is download this text box or text as a PNG or JPG, doesn't matter, and re-upload. Let's do it. You can use a transparent background if you have, for example, the Pro version, but you can also just download it as it is, because you can warp and change the perspective of any picture. Just choose the perfect background and you can also do it like that. Download and re-upload. Alright, so we changed the text into an image, and yes, same procedure. Just go to apps, reshape, warp, and now you can just change the perspective, guys. And guys, I really like that because you can make many nice effects, as you can see here. So if you ever wondered how to do it for free and very quick, you can do it with Canva, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time.